The Options Analytics option chain is designed to quickly allow the trader to see both current or historical option prices as well as real-time Greek values. In this example, the option chain window is open with the options for price line. To the right of the symbol, we see the current last price along with the net change. The 5, 20, 60, and 90-day historical volatility, and the cumulative implied volatility for both calls and puts. When a symbol is entered, the default window will load with options pricing for the next two monthly options expirations, in this case the September 20th and the October 18th. The strike price is located in the middle of the graph, puts to the right, and calls to the left. Working from the strike price, you'll see the last price, the bid and the ask, net change, volume, open interest, implied volatility, the Greek values, which include delta, gamma, vega, and theta, and the probability in the money and break even for the strike. These are all updated in real time. The last two columns, probability in the money and probability break even, are both based on the underlying stock's historical volatility. Probability in the money is the percentage chance that the selected stock has of being at or above the strike price at expiration. In this example, since this is a 13.15 strike, this represents the chance of Priceline being at or above $1,315 on September 20th, which currently is 51.3%. This is a critical number for the options trader, especially for those selling options. An option with a probability in the money of 55% means that the trader only has a 45% chance of keeping the credit they obtain when selling the option. Selling a much lower probability of finishing in the money increases the odds of keeping the credit. Probability break-even represents the percentage chance of the option expiring and having the same value as which you paid for it. If you wish to add additional expirations or strikes, you can do so by left-clicking on the Expiration menu or the Strikes menu and selecting a different value. For traders who trade or are looking to display further out of the money or deep in the money options, you can select a new centering point by left-clicking the Above and Below menu and looking for the different price. For example, a trader wishing to sell options with a low probability of expiring in the money on a stock like Priceline would have to scroll through many options to find good candidates, as more expensive stocks have more available strikes. In this example, we'll set the Above and Below to $1,400. I eliminate all other strikes except for the ones that have lower probability in the money percentages. The selected price of $1,400 is highlighted in purple, and if we look to the left, we'll see the probability in the money for those particular strikes. For an iron condor trader, you can also select a lower price. In this case, we'll choose $1,250. If I look to the right on the put side, you'll see a column of probabilities all in the 20% range, now for Priceline. If you wish to reset the points to at the money, simply click on the arrow to the right of the strike dropdown. A lookback feature is also included. To display historical prices and historical Greek values, left-click on the Lookback drop-down menu and select a date. In this example, I am interested in seeing what the options on Facebook would be priced had I purchased them during the 38% retracement on July 10th. Click on the Lookback menu and select July 10th. The option data will be centered around the last price on that date. In this case, an at-the-money call on Facebook would be the $65 call, and the price was $4.40. The closing bid and ask price is also displayed along with the Greek values for July 10th. I'll set the Above and Below to 65 to keep the data centered around this strike as I move the dates forward. I'm interested on the price of the option after the gap on July 24th. To select that date, return to the Lookback menu and select July 24th. The $65 strike was $10.60 on that date. To see the current price, return to the Lookback menu and choose Today. The current real-time price for the $65 call is $8.75.